Blood is thicker than water. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Yes, my wonderful people, I don't say come back again with another gist. This very one happen for Shana. There this matter for happen, my people. This guy wanna see so in a Kadiri. Wetin this guy do, my people, is so devastated and it's just so bad no matter what. Wetin happen is that, my people, the wife of this guy and the mother, they can't have issue. As they have issue for us now, and this guy not dey around when the issue happen, my people. In junior brother wey dey has, this guy wanna dey see so Suleiman, he can't try to settle the matter. When the guy come back now, the wife come report to the husband, say see wetin dey go on for us, and this guy Kadiri and Suleiman, they can't have misunderstanding. As they have misunderstanding now, from there the mother can't try to settle the matter between two of them, not knowing that this Kadiri just put the something inside mind, my people. After their mother settled them, and the Suleiman can't go to a normal basis of work, where for the work. When he returned, this thing happened on Friday here, my people. Now this something happened just 2 days ago. When Suleiman come back from work now, from there Kadiri can still bring the matter. I believe say the wife, now not say some wife dey, when you go marry them, put for house. Before you marry them, the house go dey okay, everybody go get peace with each other. Some women just dey this life, they just want to destroy house where happiness dey. It's like they can't stay for where happiness dey. As Suleiman come back from work now, next Kadiri, sorry guys, Kadiri go meet him brother again. From there and then the something come burst again. Now Kadiri just take something, just stab knife, just stab him brother. As he stab him brother, they can't rush him brother go hospital, which is on Friday. Now this guy just give up today. He just give up, my people. And this Kadiri now, the guy is on the run and they nowhere to be found. My people, it's just so devastated. No matter wetin your wife will tell you after the issue where your wife get with your mother. And secondly, my people, at least the wife of this Kadiri, they quarrel with their mother. Now normal thing where in junior brother or a senior one way they has, they go settle the issue. I believe that the wife don't put fire, say how you let am go like that. Your junior brother they insult me. I don't say some wife they like that. Some women they like that, my people. It's just so bad. And this guy now will stab in junior brother to death. The wife will go marry to another man, and which he himself lose in junior brother, blood brother, my people. And the mother, because the mother, the poor woman, it's like the woman lose 2 children at the same time. The man say this Kadiri day he escape from us after he don't do the evil thing, then he escape. No matter where he go escape, which no how police will still find the guy, my people, because of a woman. If that woman is a good wife, no matter wetin happen, as well as her husband not dey ask, no matter the mother-in-law go do to her, at least if she love the husband where she married to, he go wait till when the husband come back from where the husband go, he will say na work or whatever, my people. Now this woman start to dey make quarrel with him mother-in-law. So women just sit there like that. They just hate their mother-in-law. They don't want to see. Make una still remember, my people, before you marry to that family, the mother already dey there. No matter what you go do, you cannot drive that mother away from the children. at all. You can never. And you wey dey pray for you don't want to get mother-in-law before you marry. Now so another person go still pray for you, because not because my people. Now bless the way you take treat your mother-in-law well. Now so another person go still treat you well, because this life is vice versa. This life is vice versa, my people. Just imagine a normal quarrel wey they get after the mother don settle the issue between the Kadiri and Suleiman. Now the Suleiman, poor boy, now the boy suffer go back to him work, because it's like the something the Kadira, the something see they move for him heart. I believe say his wife don tell the husband say, how your brother go dey control like this, your junior brother go dey control like this. From there now Suleiman come back from work, my people. Now the issue still start again. As the issue start again, now this guy just take knife, take stab in your blood. No matter what, my people, that wife where you marry, that wife where you bring to family house, remember say na stranger where you come turn to family. One day that woman go run away. But no matter what, your brother or your siblings, they will still stand by you. Abba. Some people they really wicked for this life. Some people they wicked. Wetin go happen when the woman not feel wait, may her husband come back from work, or may her husband come back from where he went to, my people. Now this woman just starts to quarrel with the mother-in-law. Some women, if you never marry them, they go dey nice, they go be like angel, my people. The moment they come to us, the moment the man married them, they'll come bring their real character come out. I don't know why some women they are form of doing that, all those evil things, my people. I don't just know why, and which is very bad. Before you enter that house, the family don't dey okay. The mother fed the thought to the pikin, because they just marry you come as they just marry you come. You want try to put fire, you want try to tear family apart. My people, this one is just so wicked. May this Suleiman soul rest in peace. And that him brother now where they run. As they run, my people, when I say the wife, he go wait her. The woman, she'll go marry to another man. And the guy will come remain without no brother. No matter what it go happen, your mother still come first. No matter what it go happen, your family come first. Because some women, my people, they are just some women they bad for real. Now just to scatter that family. Some women just say where you before you marry them, they go dey nice, they go do everything just to please the family. But the moment you marry that kind of wife enter us, everywhere scatter. Wetin the mother of the husband go do to that extent, where she herself no feel wait, make the husband come back from where his husband went to, my people. Even as that say the mother-in-law insult her or whatever, at least she for wait, say make the husband come back first, so that she go report the issue to the husband. If she know say she no fit bear the wetin she dey pass through for the family house, now to tell the husband, okay, make they go rent house for outside. See wetin just happen to this family now, because of ordinary slice argument. This boy just stab him own blood brother to death. The woman wey pursued you to say your junior brother go dey insult me. I know say some women dey like that. Once issue dey the family, they want make their husband stand by them. E good to stand by your wife, but you look the two sides, my people. Whether the woman water, because my people, no matter what, family come first. Your siblings, I know say some siblings no see good, but they are still your blood. The oyibo wey e talk that kind thing say blood is thicker than water. They no made mistake. My people, it's just so bad for real, and I pity the mother. Poor woman just lose two children at the same time. The other one don die. Even that one wey dey run, one day police go catch that one, stay for jail. Just imagine. I just pray that God give the mother, the woman, the strength to overcome this great loss. For real. Well, my wonderful people, let me leave you guys. Please be careful. Don't let any woman destroy your happiness. Don't let family problem destroy your own. If na dey family house say maybe the something don too much, everyday quarrel. For that Naija sef, dey see house of 2,000 naira a month for one room. It's better you pack from the family house, go and rent one room. My wonderful people, let me leave you guys. See you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. Bye bye and remain blessed.